mission every day is to change the perspective of the roofing industry in everybody's eyes.
It's not just your salesman that's at the door that's doing your project for you. There's a whole team behind that salesman.
To me, you don't sell things here. We're really just trying to inform customers.
And you're the first person at the door talking to the customer, so obviously you want to be that representative throughout the whole entire process. So it's important to be there from like step one to the finish.
The main thing is we're identifying a problem they didn't know they had. You know, a roof is their biggest investment thing. I'm going up to neighbors, I'm like, hey, put me in charge of your biggest investment ever, right? And so I got to take pride in that to make sure that things are getting done right and that they're protected and giving peace of mind for the next 30 years.
A lot of people, when you're going door to door, they think we're just trying to sell something. We're not selling anything. We're just trying to educate people on what happened. You know, the storm's coming through, and try to help them get a roof covered by insurance.
Owning a home is a big undertaking for anyone that does it, and it's their duty to protect that investment. Where we come in is trying to educate them on not only how to do that, but why they need to do it. Being at the forefront and guiding people through the insurance claims process, which can be very daunting.
And we try to utilize our staff for multiple points of communication, making sure that the customer is informed on their project, informed on their claim, and aware of what's going to be happening to their home is a big differentiator for us.
The industry's changing on a day-to-day more than we've ever seen before. You know, we do about 1 month worth of training for our new sales reps, and then continually throughout the year we do weekly sales meetings with small groups of guys, basically continuing their education, because it's important that these guys are up to speed to service their homeowners.
With the continuing education, make me feel like how I'm doing my best job is that they're always teaching you every single day, handling the process from step one all the way to the finish line.
Why are pros project managers the best? Well, I mean, they obviously have a lot of training and they have a lot of support behind them. When you are out there by yourself, you're really not. You always have other people there that will support you or have an answer.
We define success here at Pro as a happy customer, as a satisfied customer. If I promise you a quality of service and I deliver on that promise, that's how I define success.
We're just one big family here, and inside of the company and outside of the company.
When you're working with not only colleagues, but mostly friends, it gives you a drive to not let them down.
You want to find a company that's going to be there for you, have good communication, install a quality product, and stand behind it. And I think we hit all four of those.
That's the thing I love about my job is I'm helping homeowners instead of selling them.
It's really easy to say what you want to say to convince people that you're going to do what you're going to do. But the tough part is following through and doing what you say you're going to do.
We're building trust, not only with the customer, but more importantly within the community. We want people to know that we're here, not only for today, not only for tomorrow, but for the long run.